At a press conference held today, members of the Hinyotrap National Youth Front, HNYF, who had opposed the construction of new building at the Sweepers Lane at Them Yo Maolong and were initially not given any response from the concerned state government department on their appeal to stop the illegal construction, had informed that ultimately the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority had responded to the appeal by issuing a notification to the landowner Phibora Marwen to stop further construction activities with immediate effect. The president of the East Khasi Hills unit of the HNYF, Blessed Dakhar, while speaking to media persons today, informed that the construction of the RCC structure had been erected without obtaining prior building permission from the Urban Affairs Department, and which amounts to violation of Section 30A of the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Amendment Act 2004. A 7-day show cause notice was served to the landowner as to why action should not be taken against her as per prevailing law, informed the HNYF leader.
Bulan hati bakam try juga cakap dan kita harjan bakam try mamalim bakam try neta bulan di bami try menjok jimentoy hantua dari ini tu isu kita kata sih barang dan apa itu bahasanya dalam ada kini kita kini sampai bisa. Kita kalau ada sekali mungkin mana tu bantai ada jumpa teman yang municipalnya ini nanti sini sekali kita jumpa mamalim. Mau ini mamalim nama barang mamalim kita isu untuk keluar kita nama barang itu itu kali agreement barang government barang selong municipal bon tiga orang kali ini ingat dengan cetan dengan ini push municipal ingat habis dia bantai building dari Muda dengan commission tina kali yang kecumi nila yuk akan dijemput oleh semua marbar ini ini kong Phibora Marwen ba kan di kami kendui di kampung dari nomor phone ini nasi miki nama kami ke kampung orang juni mungkin phone dan persengai itu ada ini ke bangnya om baik Muda pada dengan phone dan aku pun dengan notis mari isah di sini